What's going on, everyone? So today we're going to be giving the Legacy GT some love. We're going to first start off by taking these emblem overlays here that were just pretty much a mock-up and sizing, and then we're going to give the car a quick wash, and then we're finally going to get to taking care of these hideous wrecked wheels here. So for just a quick little temporary fix to make them look halfway decent right now, we're going to be dipping them. And if you could see, let's check this out. They are pretty much butchered, mutilated, and absolutely disgusting. So every time I look at these wheels from far away, they don't look that bad, but that's far away on camera. When you're in person, even far away, you could tell that these wheels are just garbage. So like I said, as a quick temporary thing to make them look halfway decent, we're going to be dipping them today. We're going to pressure wash the hell out of them to see if we can get anything off of them before we do get dipping to them. And I think they'll look pretty good for right now. And when I said a temporary fix, it's because within maybe like a month and a half, 2 months or so, we're going to be putting on a brand new wheel and tire setup. So these will be gone. But for now, just to make the car look pretty good, we're going to dip those. Also, what I'm thinking about dipping as well, we're going to come down here, and these fog light bezels that are sort of like a silver, very light silver, we're going to black those out with Plasti Dip. And then also, we're going to be redoing my grill here. And not because Plasti Dip sucks. When I did Plasti Dip this grill, basically it was like 30-something degrees. I didn't do a perfect job here, and then something hit my grill and pretty much destroyed the Plasti Dip, as you can see right here. And that's annoying, so we're gonna redo it today. And I did put down a decent amount of coats, as you can see here, because I'm just being able to pick that up like that. So we're gonna pull off the dip on the grill. We're gonna dip that as well. So it's gonna be a pretty fun day here, and I'm sure the Legacy is going to be looking a hell of a lot better than what it does right now. So let's get to taking these emblems off. We'll do a quick wash on the car, and then we will get to dipping. Now I am going to be taking these wheels off the car. You can totally dip with all 4 wheels on your car, but I'm going to start off by taking the front 2 off. We're gonna go into the garage and dip them because I wanna be able to pressure wash the hell out of the inside and the outside with the wheels off to basically make sure that all of like the breakup here, look, this shit is so wrecked and terrible. I just wanna make sure I get everything I can possible with a pressure washer off before we dip these, so that it's a pretty decent dip job, so it lasts for a little while, so we can get away with having these wheels until we do the new wheel and tire setup. So let's get started. So I think this turned out great between the redoing of the grille, the now blacked out fog light bezels, the 2.5 GT on the back, and now these wheels. Just look at it. I'm really happy with the way things have been going with my Legacy GT here, and it's just really ties everything in nicely. I do have one other cosmetic modification, but I am thinking right now to basically just tie everything in that much, just to that perfectness, and basically crisp up this Legacy GT here. So if you guys have any other cosmetic modifications, suggestions, please feel free to drop that down in the comment section below. Our next modification here will, yes, be a performance modification. Finally coming will be the 3-inch catback exhaust. My Legacy GT here is finally fixed from that boost issue, so we are going to start with some performance modifications finally, so please stay tuned for that. And I'm also working on a project with these C7 Corvettes, so you definitely don't want to miss that. So thank you so much again for watching this video. Please let me know what you think of the Legacy GT, and if you have any suggestions or recommendations, please feel free to drop that down in the comment section below. Thank you all again. If you're stopping by for the first time, please hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, please slap that like button. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Take care.